Hello and welcome. This tutorial describes the Rapid Risk Assessment, or RRA for short. This low-cost IT project audit is designed to help IT executives and product owners A. Plan new IT projects, and B. Identify risks, issues, and mitigations for IT projects in progress. This IT audit provides an unbiased, independent evaluation of your project. The RRA supports data-driven decisions to help you manage your project's success. The RRA combines the best aspects of A. The independent verification and validation assessment, B. The project risk assessment, and C. The project assurance assessment to perform a rapid, comprehensive audit of your project. This unbiased and independent assessment is grounded in a 400-point, 35-category risk management framework designed to evaluate critical aspects of your project. The 35 assessment categories align with both application and SDLC life cycles, which includes, but not limited to, project management, infrastructure, requirements, design, development, testing, conversion, integration, training, rollout, and operations. However, since every project is unique, the categories and questions included in assessment may be tailored to the project. Visit the CoffeeCat Risk Management tab for the list of the 35 assessment categories and examples of questions covered by the RRA. The RRA usually takes about 3 weeks and can be run either on-site or remotely. Larger and more complex projects may take longer to evaluate. Finally, the RRA assessment can be used for new or existing projects and can integrate with an organization's enterprise or PMO risk management frameworks. In addition to assessing existing projects, the RRA is useful for planning a new project to ensure all aspects of a new project have been addressed. Often, however, the RRA is performed when a project is experiencing high levels of defects, stakeholder dissatisfaction, cost overruns, or significant schedule delays. These negative project symptoms can result in loss of stakeholder confidence, project restructuring, and in the worst-case scenario, project cancellation. The RRA assessment can help identify root causes of project problems by pinpointing sources of variance and implementing targeted mitigations to help get your project back on track. Some other key benefits of the RRA include, but not limited to: verify a project's architecture and environments. Verify adequacy of a project's requirements, specifications, and their management. Verify a project's design and acceptance by stakeholders. Verify defect management and quality of the development. Verify projects' compliance with standards and implementation practices. Ensure risk management practices are effective and integrated into the project plan. And create project transparency to increase stakeholder confidence that the project is being properly managed, and providing data to support data-driven decision-making to keep the project on track. There are 9 basic steps to perform in the RRA assessment. The steps include, but are not limited to, the following. 1. Identify stakeholders to participate in the RRA and perform risk management training. 2. Define the scope, goals, metrics, and deliverables of the assessment with stakeholders. 3. Gather and assess project documentation. 4. Conduct interviews with key stakeholders and implementation teams. 5. Assess implementation processes such as project governance, project management, development, testing, rollout, and operations management. 6. Assess functional and technical requirements or stories for completeness and use of an ALM or DevOps tool for their management. 7. Assess project and sprint schedules, budgets, and staff skills. 8. Assess risk management processes, risks, and issues. 9. Deliver findings with improvement recommendations. As mentioned, each project is unique, and these steps may be modified as needed for the project's characteristics. The RRA provides actionable insights to help you manage and improve your project. Key deliverables of the RRA include the following. 1. Documentation assessment. 2. ALM and SDLC process improvements assessment. 3. Requirements and scope assessment. 4. Schedule, budget, and staff skills assessment. 5. Risk and issue assessment with mitigation recommendation. 6. Defects assessment. And 7. The architecture and tools assessment. All the assessments, along with an executive summary and conclusions, are consolidated into a final PDF report. An in-person or web-based presentation of the findings is available and optional at no cost. The RRA costs $10,000 USD. This cost point has purposely been chosen to be affordable for small, medium, as well as large projects, so they can take advantage of the service. This cost point is also procurement-friendly and can be purchased on a corporate credit card. Additional time and material fees may apply if the assessment is performed on-site or expanded to accommodate a large, complex project. In addition to paying the fees by credit card, the RRA can be paid by invoice on net 30 payment terms at the end of the assessment engagement. CoffeeCat Solutions is a certified small business firm authorized to do business with the federal government, state of Maryland, and the state of Virginia. Last, the CoffeeCat team can structure the RRA to provide follow-up, recurring, and other risk management services. The RRA is a tool to help reduce project risks and issues, avoid poor project outcomes, and keep a project on a positive trajectory. Take the next step and call us to discuss how our risk management services can help your projects and project managers. Thanks for watching. We hope you found the information in this briefing useful. Visit CoffeeCat to download risk management collateral and watch our other risk management briefings. And again, thanks for taking time to be with us.